In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's options to manage, like for example, photos and videos. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with Call of Duty from Not Allowed section and choose one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. When you're ready, click on the chosen one and go back. As you can see, after that my apps gained access to photos and videos. If you want to, you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. I will access Contacts to manage my WhatsApp. Now instead of tapping on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!